the chat box. Let me see. Very good. I think only Shivani answered. Yes, long-term planning. Very good. Like, see, this has to be by heart so far to you, right? I क्यों by heart करने का बोल रही हूँ because ये पूरा subject is about long-term planning. The definition of strategy, what is strategic management, all of that we have already done, correct? So what we are starting now is importance of strategic management. Why this subject, ये जो हमारा पूरा subject है, why studying this is important, right? Okay, so the first point, as you all can see in the slide, identification of opportunities. Very good point. See, as I told you, the concept of SWOT analysis over here, right? Identification of trends, weakness, opportunities and threats. So basically इसमें आपने क्या पढ़ा था? You know, currently I told you pastel environment is uncontrollable. All the factors, political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal, we have already done it in the previous sessions. So it may identify opportunities. So currently I told you, you know, in rural India, basically, if you people see, there are a lot of opportunities in the market. For example, what opportunity for selling SIM cards, opportunity वहाँ पे भी India is currently going digital, as I told you. So क्या हो रहा है? ATM machine, debit card, credit card, banking sector, you all are students of banking, right? So ये सब आपकी opportunities हो गई. तो आप जब long term planning करते हो, these are the ideas that naturally come up in your mind, right? Now if you see, you know, currently DMart and all, these Flipkart, they have now started delivering groceries at your doorstep also, घर पे. Like see, पहले का concept जो था, if you people remember, पहले क्या होता था, we had to physically go to the stores. कुछ होता था कि नहीं? I remember when this lockdown started, there were literally so many lines. हमें एक प्रोडक्ट लेने के लिए भी कितनी लाइन होती थी, एक नॉर्मल प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रही हूँ, राइट? अभी अगर आप देखो, now things have become so much easier, all thanks to internet, right? So ये सब internet, digital marketing, ये सब आपके लिए opportunities हो गई, correct? So yes, the next point is objective view of management problems. Now see, try to understand objective view means what. Maybe you know, a real life or practical view. Now see, try to understand. Now you people will tell कि मैम क्यों हमें इतना examples देती है? The simple answer to this is books will always give you theoretical explanation. Correct? Practical जो knowledge है आपको, that will come only through when you know, for example, when you start doing internships, right? वो सब तब भी आपको मिलेगा. तो in the same way, objective view of problems means what? See, अगर हम long term plan कर रहे हैं, so for example, let's take it. I previous lectures I gave you the simple example. If someone wants to become a doctor, 10th में ऐसा decide कर रहे हैं, so at that time you people tell, तो क्या long term planning होगा? We all know doctor बनते बनते someone is almost in their late 20s या 30s, right? First of all, if we don't get college in a we don't get admission in a government college, तो private colleges में the fees is very high, right? तो see, ये सब जो practical problems होता है, see, I am not telling you that after all when we actually do something, तो problems आने ही वाले हैं. And see, sometimes you know, business is most of the time it happens like that. Problems ऐसे ही आते हैं जो हमने कभी सोचे भी नहीं थे, correct? So what I meant to tell you is objective. You still, अगर आप long term planning कर रहे हो, I can say almost 60 to 70% of the times it will help you. Yes, बाकी जो 30% है, it is dependent on your luck, current situation हम जो बोलते हैं, right? So objective view of management problems means real life view, क्या हो सकता है, correct? Yes. The next point here is improved coordination and control. Very important. So see, इसमें दोनों concept आ गए. अगर हम long term planning करते हैं, if you are, you know, we are following a business policy, what will happen is improved coordination and control. Means all the communication that is happening, it's happening in a systematic format, right? So yes, that is what I meant to tell you. ये सब जो थे, if you remember, I'd given you a code word to remember this, right? All the functions of management. POSTCORB. याद आया? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, organizing, again budgeting, reporting, right? That's why ये सब जो concepts है, I already covered it in the initial lectures, right? इसमें third point, it was all about formal communication, right? Things happening in a systematic manner. Okay. The next point here is minimizes adverse conditions and changes. Let me give you a very simple example here. Currently, it's raining a lot. अभी बारिश की season चल रही है. So we all know that for example अगर कोई ऐसा है, due to some reason we have to, let's assume, go out to buy something. ओके तो हम लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग करके रखते हैं, मतलब हमने क्या सोचा कि चलो अभी बारिश की सीजन आ रही है, आई विल कैरी अ रेनकोट और अम्ब्रेला विथ मी. if someone is doing now short term, see, now don't get confused कि long term means more than 6 months and all का भी. I'm giving you a simple example. Okay, so वही मैं आपको बोल रही थी. now what we'll think is, ओके शॉर्ट टर्म प्लानिंग क्या, मैं फटाफट आई वांट टू बाय सम ग्रोसरीज, फटाफट मैं लेके आ जाता हूँ, ठीक है. बट नाउ इट वाज योर बैड लक, तुम लोग जैसे ही बाहर गए इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग. आप लोग, आई मीन, यू रीच द शॉप, खरीद भी लिया फटाफट सब, but when you want to come home it has started raining. Now what I mean to say is minimizes adverse situation, and you all know currently coronavirus is going on. So क्या हो जाता है, एक तो सर्दी आ जाएगी, फिर घर आओगे तो मम्मी डांटेगी, all of that, right? We don't want to fall ill. So what I mean to say is, अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में ये सब पॉसिबिलिटी सोच के रखते हो तो आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. तो इन द सेम वे कंपनी में भी एडवर्स कंडीशन, मतलब लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल. अभी सिंस आई टोल्ड यू द कांसेप्ट ऑफ 5G इज देयर, राइट? सो क्या हो रहा है बेसिकली, अभी ओल्ड सिम्स, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, दे माइट नॉट, ओल्ड जो पुराने सिम्स होते हैं, जो मेरे पास भी, आई यूज सम वेरी ओल्ड फोन, दे डोंट इवन सपोर्ट 4G, आई मीन डिटेक्ट ही नहीं करते. तो अभी जो मोबाइल फोन कंपनीज है, दे विल कीप दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड. करंटली आई इवन हर्ड फ्लेक्सिबल मोबाइल फोन्स होते हैं, फोल्डिंग मोबाइल फोन्स, इवन आर इन द टेस्ट मार्केटिंग स्टेज ना. बीच में आया था, इट वाज देयर इन द न्यूज, बट आई हर्ड इट वाज नॉट सक्सेसफुल, राइट? तो एडवर्स कंडीशंस मतलब कि अगर कोई मोबाइल फोन ब्रांड है, अगर प्रोडक्शन ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दिया है, आई मीन देयर विल बी प्रॉब्लम बेसिकली, राइट? Yes. And the last point here is decisions that better support objectives. Try to understand. मैंने आपको कहा था रिसोर्सेज जो होते हैं, मैन, मनी, machines. So many times even if our planning stage is very good, क्या हो जाता है, but ultimately unfortunately हमारे जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, objectives of earning the profit, maximizing the profit sale, plan is very good, but the costs involved basically they are too high. We are not able to afford it basically, right? So decisions that support better, decisions that support objectives, मतलब ऐसे ही decisions लिया करो. See, if your objectives are very clear कि I want to invest less but make maximum profit, तो आप लोग स्टार्टिंग से ही आपका बजट लेवल लो रखोगे, right? In the same way, for example, if someone is saying I want to strictly travel by train only, your budget is less, right? So what will be your options? You will travel by train or either by bus, right? तो आपको वही, you won't even think of calling a cab or doing anything like that. ठीक है, तो आपको ये आंसर समझा ना, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट. This isme, see, when you write this answer, it's but obvious. What you will write is, first you will write the meaning of what is strategic management. इसके बाद तुम लिखोगे what is the importance of strategic management, right? Okay, so I am giving you 2 questions for your internal, I mean home assignment now. Sorry, not internals. The second question is, explain the importance of strategic management. If anyone has any doubts, please ask me now. Like, see, आपका जो first question था, what do you mean by business policy, आप वो एक ही लाइन में लिखो, वो जो स्लाइड में लिखा है उतना ही. explain the importance of business policy stating examples. एग्जाम्पल्स वाला स्लाइड मत लिखो, मैंने आपको जो आज एग्जाम्पल्स दिए वो लिखना, ठीक है? बिकॉज अगर इफ यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ये एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ बिजनेस पॉलिसी, दिस इज नॉट डन येट. ये जो कंसेप्ट है एक एक यू नो एचआर का, मार्केटिंग का, दिस आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, ठीक है? सो उसके एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं, मैंने आपको जो भी जियो या वॉट एवर एग्जाम्पल आई गेव यू लाइक दैट, ठीक है? So anyone has any doubt, now I'm keeping the chat box open. I think we almost still have 7 to 8 minutes to go. किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो प्लीज ask me. Now I'm looking at the chat box. Because see, आज already दो आंसर्स हमारे हो चुके हैं. I don't want to move into the third one. Our portion is going great anyway. Yes, anyone wants to ask anything, please ask me. I'm looking at the chat box. किसी को एग्जाम्पल्स में कुछ डाउट है, दे वांट मी टू रिपीट एनीथिंग, प्लीज आस्क इट. See, because we have 8 minutes to go, right? So कुछ ना कुछ I'll have to discuss. So if you want, please ask me. I think yes, now we directly have a lecture next week. कल this is A division, right? और या ये B है. 1 minute, this is which division? I'm getting confused. This is A or B? Just tell me, someone. I think this is B, right? Yes, this is B. Yeah. B division, correct. कल मेरा A division में lecture है. So, which is my last lecture for the week. Yeah. किसी को कुछ पूछना है ना? I've seen, तुम लोग YouTube videos नहीं देख रहे हो. Like, I was going through many of the home assignments also. People are just writing the answers. See, I'm not telling up एक points even if you don't explain detail. TY, I was just telling the previous batch before you. I teach in TY BAF also, BMS also. मैं उनको वही बोल रही थी, TY के stage पे this mugging up and all doesn't work. What really works is, आप concept clarity आपका कितना है, what you are able to. इससे भी मैं आपको concept दे रही हूँ, examples. I hope you are writing it, because TY में I'll tell you, being a university topper also, they focus more on concept clarity, right? अंदर का content जो हम लिखते हैं, sub points, they might not read also, right? But what example, see, आप लोग खुद सोचो. For example, if someone is correcting the papers, मैंने अगर वो देखा कि स्टूडेंट है, उसने एग्जाम्पल लिखा है, आप खुद सोचो इसका क्या कंक्लूजन हो गया कि स्टूडेंट नोज द सब्जेक्ट, मतलब उसको पता है. तो सी, एग्जामिनर क्या करेगा? आई एम नाउ कन्विंस्ड कि चलो, ही नोज द सब्जेक्ट, नाउ आई गिव हिम मार्क्स. तो मैं पॉइंट्स भी हम लोग नहीं पढ़ते, तो आपको समझा, राइटिंग एग्जाम्पल्स इज सो मच इम्पोर्टेंट. And see, whenever possible, so for example, try to add diagrams. Like I've seen some very good people writing answers. क्या करते हैं वो, in Mumbai University, the length is also important. I mean, both quality and quantity are important. कुछ students क्या करते हैं, first second जो लिखते हैं वो लोग arrows करके लिखते हैं, राइट? मतलब एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे कर, आप लोग खुद सोचो. आई मीन, तो पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन कितना अच्छा हो जाता है, right? Yes. So that's what I wanted to tell you. 1 minute, just let me stop recording.